Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you've been looking for a quick one evening crochet project, this one's for you. And if you're a beginner, today might be the day you learn how to do a fun checkerboard pattern and some cute ruffles that you can use to decorate pretty much anything, like hats, dresses, pillowcases. You'll need 2 different yarn colors. I'm using cotton yarn, a crochet hook, mine is 4.5, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle with a large eye. My coaster is almost a perfect square, about 10 centimeters by 10. To start, make a slip knot. And then chain 26. That's 25 for the pattern and 1 turning chain. Next, insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make 4 single crochets. For the 5th stitch, start it with the beige yarn, but don't finish it. Bring in the blue yarn like this. Now we have 5 stitches and we've switched colors. Now we hold the beige yarn along the row and continue working with the blue yarn. Make 4 single crochets. After the first one, pull the beige yarn a little, start the 5th stitch with the blue, and finish it with beige. And now, we hold the blue yarn along the row, and beige becomes the working yarn. Make 4 single crochets. Pull the yarn, start the 5th stitch with beige and finish it with blue. And we keep repeating this pattern to the end of the row. There's 1 stitch left, and this time we don't change the color because to get the checkered pattern, we need to repeat this exact color sequence for 4 rows. chain 1, turn your work and insert the hook into the next stitch from the hook. As you can see, I'm going under both loops, and from now on we'll always go under both. Make 4 single crochets, pull the yarn, start the 5th stitch with beige and finish it with blue. Then 4 single crochets again. Start the 5th stitch with blue and switch to beige. And keep repeating this until the end of the row. Don't change color at the end. Just chain 1 and turn. Now crochet 2 more rows the same way. So for a total, I'll meet you at the end of the row 4. We are at the end of the row 4. We pull the yarn tight and finally switch colors. Start the 5th stitch with beige and finish it with blue. Chain 1 and turn your work. From here on, we'll crochet blue on top of beige and beige on top of blue. We are going to repeat this color order for 4 more rows and then switch the order again. I've changed the order 4 times, so I've got 4 full checkered rows. You can make 5 or more if you like. I'll meet you when we have a full checkerboard square. I've finished 4 rows of the checkered pattern, just like in my first sample. Mine came out to 10 centimeters by 9 centimeters, and if I add another full row of squares, the sides will still end up uneven. So here's what I'm going to do. Take a look at my sample. I bordered the wall piece with black yarn, but this time I just border one side. I'm using beige yarn and going single crochet stitches along the edge. Let's check. 9.5 centimeters, almost 10. So now I'm moving to the next step, the ruffles. My ruffles will be blue, so I'm taking my blue yarn, making a slip knot, and inserting the loop into the very last stitch of the square. 1 chain to secure the yarn, and then 2 more. So 3 in total, because we'll be using treble stitches for the ruffles. 2 yarn overs, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. That's a treble crochet. In that same stitch, I'm doing 1 more treble crochet. So now, counting the chains, we've got 3 stitches in one spot. From here on out, we'll do 3 treble crochets into every stitch across the edge. Alright, I made 3 treble crochets into the last stitch, and now we just need to finish off with a slip stitch right into that 3rd chain from the bottom. And the final step, weaving the yarn tails using a yarn needle or a small hook. That's it, our coaster is done. I hope yours turned out great. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!